Hi, Editing Emily here. I realized I never filmed an intro for this video, so hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Emily from Emily Joy Wellness, and I make videos on women's hormone health and just being a healthier human. So if you like those types of videos, please subscribe to my channel, do me a favor, help me out in the algorithm, and yeah, I hope you like this coffee video. So I start out with a shot of espresso. Sometimes I will do cold brew, but I did not prep that today. So espresso it is. And I do a double shot, usually. Also, I don't have a fancy coffee maker, and if anybody tells you you need like that fancy, which one is it? The Breville one? I would love to have one of those, but I don't. I just have one of the like cheap DeLonghi ones. And the coffee that I use is just a custom blend from Sprouts. You know how they have like all the bulk coffee and everything? My boyfriend mixes a blend and then we just grind it with their grinder there. And I'm gonna be honest, it's the most delicious coffee blend that I've ever had in my life. Like, no joke, best espresso ever. And that's kind of bad because I've been to a lot of really good coffee shops. If you have any coffee brands that you really like that you think I should try, let me know below because I'm always down to try new coffee. Preferably organic though, because I do try to get organic because non-organic coffee can have a lot of toxins and mold on it. So I have my cup with my ice, and I'm just gonna pour the espresso over that. And then this is my favorite creamer. I've talked about it before in a different video. If you didn't see my Whole30 haul, go watch that. I talk about this in there. And I also talk about it all the time on Instagram because it's literally the one I use all the time, this one and their regular butter creamer. So normally I would just add this straight into the coffee, but since I'm adding some mix-ins for Whole30, I'm going to pour it into a cup. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add in basically the two things that you need to turn it into a cinnamon vanilla latte. So I'm adding in the Ceylon cinnamon, which is super good for your blood sugar, stabilizing blood sugar, and it also gives it like that natural sweetness. So since you can't add any sweetener on Whole30, I just go crazy with this stuff. I know not everybody likes cinnamon, but if you clicked on this video, then you probably do. So I just add a bunch in there. And then I go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla extract. If you're being super technical on Whole30, you can't have vanilla extract because it's like an alcohol extract and you're not supposed to have alcohol, but like the 1/4 teaspoon that I put in here, I'm not worried about it. If you are being really technical, you can use like vanilla bean powder and everything too. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add an extra scoop of my favorite collagen in there. So this creamer does have collagen already, but I just like extra. And I've also talked about this collagen before on Instagram, but it is truly the best deal I found for collagen anywhere, and I will link it below if you want to get it. But it is 3 pounds of collagen. It's grass-fed from grass-fed cows and all that good stuff. Grass-fed and pasture raised, and the price like beats anywhere I've found. I think it's less than $40 for 3 pounds. If you get like Vital Proteins or like the super popular brands, it's like $40 for half this size. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a scoop of that in there also. Collagen like sticks to everything. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my little handheld frother and just mix that stuff in there. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the creamer and you're basically done. I hate when it doesn't like do the pretty swirly thing that everybody seems to somehow get a picture of on Instagram. I don't know how, but they do, but there you go. Now I'm going to put a straw in it and drink my happy juice because it truly does make me very happy. So good. So good. Anyway, if you guys like that, if you want to see more recipe videos, I'll leave the complete recipe down below. Let me know if you try it out. You can comment here, you can follow me on Instagram, all the things. I would love to know if you try it and if you like it. And of course, if you have any coffee things that I should try, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.